Hi guys, I'm Ram Agarwal. You are watching my channel 52 Pixels. Let's get started. Hi guys, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to resize images using Photoshop. So to start with, this is the image that we are going to work with today. By the way, if you don't know, this is the image clicked by me. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, please follow my Instagram. I've put my ID down over here. So Well, this is the image that we are going to work with today. And to start resizing the image size and the quality, what we are going to do is just go to image, and there we have an option called image size. So currently, as you can see, this is my image size where the width is 24.167 inches by height is 42.944 inches. So this resolution is in inches. I can always change it to percents, centimeters, points. It's totally up to you what you want, but currently the image is in pixels, so I'll keep it in pixels. Now there's one more thing that is called as resolution. So resolution is 72 pixels per inch, which basically means that in this picture, if I just zoom into the picture over here, so per inch there are 72 small little pixels just like these. So suppose if this whole screen is 1 inch, then there are these 72 pixels in this inch. So this is the resolution of my image currently, and it basically determines how sharp and how good quality my image is. And some people, like for example, if you want to print a document, you will need a size to be at least of 300 dots per inch or pixels per inch, so it's called as 300 dpi or 300 ppi. Both the things are same, but yeah, if you want to print a document, you might want to make the size as 300 dpi at least, because that's the quality that is expected to give them the best output, the sharpest image output once you print it. So currently my image is of 72 pixels per inch. So to resolve that issue, what I can do is just go to resolution and type in 300 ppi. So the setting is already set to pixels and inch. So once I click on OK, you won't notice much change over here, but when I zoom into the image, you'll see the quality. As you can see, I've completely zoomed in. So earlier this was my screen. So it had just 72 pixels. Now it has got 300 pixels. How does Photoshop combine those pixels? Well, it's just because what Photoshop does is just it grabs all the pixels from the outer areas of the image and reduces the size of the image to fit those pixels, the pixels that it has borrowed from the outer regions, to fit in those 1 inch in the 1 inch area and make it 300 pixels. So just to clear the confusion, I'll show you once again. I'll go to image and image size. So earlier, this is my image size as 24 in width and 42 in height, both in inches. So once I increase my resolution to 300, just look at the width changing from 24 to 5 and height from 48 to 10. So the width and the height of my image has changed just when I increase the resolution. It's because it has grabbed the extra pixels from each of the part of the image, and it has reduced the size to this particular inches just to increase this resolution to 300. And then there's one option called as resample. So using resample, what you can do is keeping this resolution intact, you can change the width. So currently it's 5, I can make it 15. But as you can see, the image loses its sharpness when you increase the width and the height. So I won't prefer you increasing the width once you kind of fix your resolution to some certain to some certain like 300 pixels per inch or 200 dpi. So once you set this resolution, I won't recommend you increasing the width and the height, because it will just mess up with your image and just reduce its sharpness and the quality. So I won't recommend that, but then it's again up to you, and you can always reduce the size. It won't affect much of your image, but if you increase the size to a larger size, it will definitely mess up your image and it won't look that good. So it's up to you. So if I just show it to you, I'll make it 15 and I'll click on OK. As you can see, you won't notice that much change, but as you can see, if we zoom into the image, The image has lost its sharpness and it doesn't look that good now. So, well, that's it for today, guys. Hope you like the video. Make sure you subscribe to 52 Pixels and tap on the bell icon to get notified. Thank you.